Hey guys, welcome to Computer Buddy. I'm Akhilesh. This video is on quick unboxing and review of gaming keyboard. So this is a Redgear Blaze 7 a gaming keyboard. I was using a simple keyboard, a budget keyboard under 500 rupees, which was from Zebronics. So I thought to upgrade it to gaming keyboard. So I was searching for a keyboard, and while I was searching for a gaming keyboard, I got this, the Redgear Blaze 7. So in usual days in Amazon, it is priced around 1300 rupees. Even in Flipkart, it is listed around same price. So in offers, you will get it around 800 or 900 rupees. So I bought this from Amazon for 899 rupees. At this price range or under 1000 rupees, this is one of the best gaming keyboard available in the market. So this has a lot of features listed. So 7 different colors of backlight and 19 keys anti-ghosting, multimedia keys, windows, lock. So all different of features are available. So this is how the box looks, and let's see. So let's unbox this. So we have this cover, and we get the keyboard here, and inside the box we will get a sticker by Redgear and nothing else, no other guide or anything. So they haven't given anything else in the box, so we just get the keyboard and the sticker inside the box. So that's it. And here if you see the keyboard looks premium actually. The keyboard looks premium, and the frame of this, the upper part is made of aluminium. The metal body is given here, and the keys are of premium plastic. I can say it is at least not on a cheap plastic. It is actually very good. The quality is really good. And this is a semi-mechanical keyboard. This is not a mechanical keyboard. This is a semi-mechanical keyboard. Why they say it as a semi-mechanical is because they have given this raised keys. So if you see, there is a gap, right? So it looks like a mechanical keyboard, and when you type, right, so it gives a feel of mechanical keyboard. And in the back it is a plastic again, so but again it's not a cheap plastic, you can say. And they have given the braided cable, so the cable also looks premium. And yeah, they have given this rubber pads also, so when you type it will stick onto the table and it will not move around, so that is also very good. And you can raise the height by using this little stand over here, and this works well. So overall the build quality is really good, and the keyboard is super nice, and I have been using this for a week, and it works really well. And I have bought it for a basic purpose and for typing and coding, not for gaming purpose. I don't know how it is suitable for gamers, but I don't know for usual work or who wants to type more or wanted to code, right? For those people it is good. As I said, I have been using this keyboard for 1 week, and overall I feel the keyboard is very good, and it serves the purpose. Overall the look is premium, and the metal body, the braided cable, and the backlight, everything feels premium, and the keys are also good. To turn on the backlight, you just need to press this screen lock key here. So this will turn on the backlight of this keyboard. To change the color of the backlight, you just need to press the screen lock key again, so it will change the color. So it will look with the colors, so it will changes all the 7 colors, and once it finishes the 7 colors, it will turn off the backlight. So let us say if you want to switch on the breathing mode, you just need to press the function and screen lock key. First you need to press the function key and then screen lock. To increase or decrease the brightness, you just need to press the function and page up or down keys. So page up will increase the brightness and function plus page down will decrease the brightness. So there are 3 levels of brightness. Even using the function plus page up, you can switch on the backlight, or you can turn off the backlight as well using the function plus page down. So one drawback which I found here is when you are in breathing mode, you can't reduce or increase the brightness of the backlight. So that is one drawback. In the static mode, you can increase or decrease the brightness, but in breathing mode, that option is not available. So in the breathing mode, it will run on the medium brightness level. So here if you see, there are 3 different indicators for, one is for num lock, then caps lock, and for Windows lock. So this feels bit irritating because that indicator is bit sharp. So if you are looking into the screen also, so it feels bit irritating because it is just hitting your eyes. So for that you just can keep a piece of paper here, so that will reduce the level of brightness which is hitting to your eyes directly. So that is bit irritating, but that is not a big drawback because we can keep a paper or something and we can sort it out. That is one thing. And the other thing is when the backlight is off, so the writings on the keys are not visible. Basically when we have a keyboard with backlight, we don't turn off and turn off the backlight and work. So here if anybody wants to turn off the backlight and work, then for those they can just skip this keyboard, because if you turn off the backlight of this keyboard, the writings on the keys are not that much visible. The backlight is not only just on the side or sides of the keys, but it is coming through the writings on the keys as well. So that way it is a good keyboard here. So listen to the key press sound of this keyboard. This is a decent sound actually for this keyboard. It is very nice. People who like the keyboard sound, right? So this is the best suitable. The sound is on lighter note and not on the louder side actually. So overall this is a very nice, very useful and very good keyboard. And if you are looking for a good gaming or a very good backlit keyboard, you can surely look into this, and this will be a worth buying product. So thanks for watching the video. Please do support by subscribing the channel. Thank you.